Welcome to our video on how to make money with V.io in 2025. Today, we'll explore how you can create and sell YouTube Shorts packages using this powerful tool. YouTube Shorts are booming in 2025. Let's delve into the market demand and why it's the perfect time to start creating Shorts packages. Identifying your target audience is crucial. Who would be interested in purchasing your Shorts packages? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about creating engaging content. Here are some tips for producing high-quality YouTube Shorts that stand out. How do you package and price your Shorts offerings? We'll discuss bundling strategies and what to consider. Next, we'll cover effective marketing strategies to reach potential clients and promote your Shorts packages. V.io makes editing easy. Let's showcase how its tools simplify the process of creating stunning Shorts. Here are some success stories of creators who have successfully monetized their YouTube Shorts. Get inspired. Let's discuss best practices for setting up payment and delivery for your services. Making it seamless is key. In conclusion, let's take a look at future trends and the sustainability of selling YouTube Shorts. The opportunities are endless.